Hello, 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 hello. How you guys doing today? Um, Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here on my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you are doing fine. Okay, today we're gonna be talking about acts that you can do with your shoes. Okay, there maybe sometimes you need to wear your shoe and then you need something like a quick fix. This is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Okay, but before we get started into this video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Then if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. All right, let's dive into the video. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can fix your shoe. Number one, if you have a stinking shoe, like this shoe stink, okay, and I need to wear it immediately, what can I do to to make the odor better, to make it smell nice? Number one thing I have that you can do is one number one thing that you can do to make the odor better, to make your shoe smell better, is get a dryer sheet. This is a dryer sheet. Okay, we all know the pack. I can show you the pack I have here. So this is the one I have. Okay, this is the one I have, and this is what it contains. Dryer sheet inside it. So what you can do is grab two pieces of dryer sheet, put one inside the first pair like this. Just put it in your shoe like this. Gonna put it in the second pair as well. So we're gonna put it inside just like this. You lay it flat in the shoe. So once we got our dryer sheet in the shoe, because dryer sheet has a very good scent and a very good smell, is gonna make your shoe smell better instantly, and you are ready to go. It's gonna make your shoe smell better instantly, and you are ready to go. Did you see it? So you just wear your shoe with the dryer sheet inside it. Leave the dryer sheet inside the shoe, and you are ready to go. And then you go, your leg is gonna feel better, your shoe is gonna feel better all day long. I promise you this. Try it, and you're gonna like it. Okay, another thing you can do is if you have a stinking shoe, your shoe stink, you have a stinking shoe, and then you need to wear it instantly. What you can do is grab a baking soda. This is baking soda. Okay, see, so I have some baking soda right here in this cup. So what I'll do is I'll just sprinkle some baking soda in my shoe just like this. I'm just gonna sprinkle it. Not too much, just little. Sprinkle it all over your shoe just like that. Okay, just like that. Both pairs. Okay, Then I'm gonna leave it, your shoe, just like that. Okay, just like that. Both pairs. Okay. Then I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave the baking soda overnight for, let's say, if I need to wear my shoe tomorrow, if I'm going out tomorrow and I need to wear this shoe, you need to do this hack overnight. Okay, so you're gonna pour the baking soda in it, leave it overnight, or if it's not going to be overnight, probably you need to wear it in the evening. Just give it like a couple of hours, probably 2 to 3 hours. Then make sure you leave the baking soda for some hours, sitting down in the shoe. Okay, put it there before you wear the shoe. So once you're ready to wear it, take the powder out. Just pour it out just like this. Pour the powder out of the shoe. Okay, don't wear it with the powder, don't wear it with the baking soda in the shoe. Okay, just make sure you pour it out before you wear it. And by the time you check your shoe, you see it smells so good. The smell is going to smell so good. Baking soda is very, very good. It eliminates odors. Okay, and it's good for cleaning, household cleaning. It's good for any household cleaning you need to do at all. Baking soda is very, very powerful. It's very cheap. You can easily get it in the store, but it does a lot of things if you know how to use it. All right, another hack is you need to travel. If you need to travel and you need to pack your clothes, pack your shoes, and you don't want your shoes to be lying directly on your clothes, what you can do is grab this. This is a shower cap, a plastic shower cap. See, even if you don't have a plastic shower cap, you can also use a reusable plastic bag, something like this as well. A reusable plastic bag, the ones you get from the store. Grab your shoes. Okay, and then you put them inside just like this. Just like this. See? And your shoe is well covered, and you can just put it in your traveling bag just like that, together with your clothes, without your clothes getting dirty, and you're ready to go.